Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Sorry, we have no coffee today.
No coffee?
No, the machine is not working.
Is it broken?
Yes, it stopped this morning.
That is just like me on Mondays.
I understand that feeling.
Can you fix it now?
No, we called a technician.
When will he come?
Maybe this afternoon.
That is a pity.
Yes, I am very sorry.
Not even a black coffee?
No, no coffee at all.
What a strange day.
Yes, mornings are hard without coffee.
Do you have another hot drink?
Yes, we have tea.
Is it hot tea?
Yes, very hot.
Okay, I will take tea.
Would you like sugar?
Yes, please.
Do you want something to eat?
What do you have?
We have sandwiches and biscuits.
I will take a sandwich.
Here is your tea.
Thank you. I hope there is coffee tomorrow.
I hope so too.
I cannot wake up without coffee.
Yes, I understand you very well.
Wrong meal at the restaurant. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help?
I think there is a problem with my food.
What is the problem?
This is not what I ordered.
Is it the wrong dish?
Yes, I ordered pasta.
Oh, I am very sorry.
This looks like chicken.
Yes, I see that.
I wanted pasta with tomato sauce.
That is our mistake.
It is okay.
Thank you for telling me.
Can you change it, please?
Yes, of course.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
All right, I can wait.
Would you like a drink now?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
With ice?
Yes, please.
I will bring it soon.
Thank you.
Here is your water.
That is great. Thanks.
Your pasta is almost ready.
Very good.
Sorry again for the mistake.
No problem at all.
Here is your pasta with tomato sauce.
This looks right now.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, everything is perfect.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Food is too spicy. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
I think this food is too spicy.
Too spicy?
Yes, it is very strong for me.
I am really sorry.
I cannot eat it.
I understand.
My mouth feels very hot.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please. With ice?
Yes, that is better. I will bring it now.
Thank you.
Here is your water.
Thanks. This helps a lot.
Is there a lot of sauce in the dish?
Yes, a lot. I do not eat spicy food often.
I understand. Would you like a different dish?
Yes, please.
Would you like something mild?
Yes, something not spicy.
We have grilled chicken.
Is it spicy?
No, it is very mild.
That sounds perfect.
Shall I change your dish?
Yes, please, as soon as possible.
I will do it right away.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Here is your new dish.
Great, thank you.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, much better now. Wi-Fi not working in café. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help?
I have a question.
Sure.
Is the Wi-Fi working here?
Yes, normally it works.
But I have no internet right now.
It is not connecting?
No, nothing is loading.
Are you using the cafe Wi-Fi?
Yes, the name is correct.
Did you enter the password?
Yes, I entered it correctly.
That is strange.
I need internet for my work.
I understand. Did you restart your phone?
Yes, I did.
And your laptop?
Yes, still not working.
Maybe there is a problem today.
Since when?
Since this morning.
Oh no.
The router is a bit slow.
Will it be fixed soon?
Maybe in 1 hour.
I am not sure I can wait that long.
I am sorry about that.
Can I still sit here and wait?
Of course.
Are there any plugs?
Yes, near the window.
Perfect.
Would you like another coffee?
Yes, please. With milk?
Yes, with milk. I will bring it.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Sorry for the problem.
No problem. I hope the Wi-Fi works soon. Missing dessert at the restaurant. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I have finished my meal.
All right.
I also ordered a dessert.
A dessert?
Yes, some time ago.
Oh, I think there is a problem.
What is wrong?
I think I forgot your dessert.
Yes, I thought so.
I am really sorry.
It is not a big problem.
Would you still like it?
Actually, no thank you.
I understand.
Then I would like the bill, please.
Of course, right away.
Do I need to pay for the dessert?
No, we will not charge you.
Thank you. It was my mistake, too.
It happens sometimes.
Did you enjoy the meal?
Yes, it was very nice.
Good to hear. Here is your bill.
Thank you.
How would you like to pay?
By card.
You can pay here, please.
Payment accepted.
Thank you.
Sorry again about the dessert.
No problem.
Would you like a takeaway coffee?
No, thank you.
Have a nice day then.
Thank you. You too. Cold coffee problem. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
I have a small problem.
Of course.
I think my coffee is cold.
Cold?
Yes, I just tried it.
I am very sorry.
I ordered a hot coffee.
Yes, it should be hot.
Can you change it, please?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you.
I will make a new one now. Do you want the same coffee?
Yes, the same one.
With milk?
Yes, with milk.
Great. I will take this coffee.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, a little, please.
I will be back soon.
All right.
Here is your new coffee.
Thank you.
Is it hot now?
Yes, much better.
Sorry for the mistake.
It is not a problem.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, everything is perfect.
Would you like anything else?
No, just the coffee.
Enjoy your drink.
Thank you.
No free tables. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
Is there a free table now?
Sorry, there are no free tables.
Not even one table?
No, Everything is full.
It is very busy today.
Yes, it is lunchtime.
I wanted to eat here.
I am sorry about that.
How long is the wait?
About 20 minutes.
I cannot wait that long.
I understand.
Can I order takeaway?
Yes, of course.
That is perfect.
What would you like?
A pasta dish, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a salad.
All for takeaway?
Yes, please.
Would you like some bread?
Yes, a little.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, a bottle of water.
Cold or room temperature?
Cold, please.
Great.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
All right.
You can wait here.
Thank you.
I will call you when it is ready.
Thanks for your help.
You are welcome.
Thanking the chef. Good evening.
Good evening.
Are you the chef?
Yes, I am the chef.
I wanted to speak with you.
Of course. Please tell me.
I was here yesterday.
Oh, really?
It was a family dinner.
That sounds nice.
The food was very good.
Thank you very much.
Everyone liked it.
That makes me happy.
The dishes came quickly.
We always try our best.
The food was nice and hot.
That is important for us.
My favorite dish was the fish.
I am glad you liked it.
It was very tasty.
Thank you.
The service was also very good.
We work as a team.
Everything was ready on time.
That is great to hear.
It was a special day for us.
Thank you for telling me.
My family was very happy.
That is the most important thing.
We want to come again.
You are always welcome.
Thank you for your work.
Thank you very much.
I wanted to thank you in person.
That is very kind of you.
Please thank your team as well.
Of course, I will.
Thank you again.
Have a nice day.
Coffee spill problem. Excuse me.
Hey, what happened?
I am very sorry. It was an accident.
You spilled coffee on me.
I am really, really sorry.
Look at my blouse.
Yes, it is very wet.
This is not okay.
I will get you a napkin right away.
That is not enough.
Would you like some water?
No, I want to speak to the manager.
I will call him now.
I am very upset.
I understand. I am very sorry.
The coffee was very hot.
Did you get hurt?
A little, yes.
Do you want to wash your hands?
First, I want a complaint form.
Of course, I will bring it.
This should not happen.
You are right. It is my mistake.
I am having a bad day.
I am really sorry. Here is the form.
I will write it now.
Do you need a pen?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Would you like a new drink?
No, I do not want anything.
I am sorry again.
I hope this does not happen again.
I understand. Café closing time. Excuse me.
Yes?
I want to tell you something.
What is it?
The cafe is closing soon.
Already?
Yes, in 10 minutes.
Oh, I did not know that.
Sorry, I wanted to tell you early.
Thank you for telling me.
Would you like to order something before we close?
No, I will finish my coffee.
All right.
Can I stay for a few more minutes?
Yes, but not too long.
I understand.
Would you like the bill now?
Yes, please.
Was everything okay?
Yes, everything was very good.
That is nice to hear. Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Will you pay cash or card?
By card, please.
You can pay here.
Done.
Payment is complete.
Thank you.
Would you like to take your coffee with you?
No, I will finish it here.
We close in 5 minutes.
Yes, I will leave soon.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Have a nice evening.
Food is too salty. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help?
I want to say something.
Of course. What is it?
The food is a bit salty.
Too salty?
Yes, a little more than usual.
I am really sorry.
It is okay. I just wanted to tell you.
Thank you for telling me.
I think the cook likes salt.
Maybe, yes. Does it bother you a lot?
No, I can still eat it.
Would you like a new dish?
No, that is not needed.
Shall I bring you some water?
Yes, please.
With ice?
Yes, that helps.
Here is your water.
Perfect.
Would you like anything else?
Maybe some bread.
Of course, I will bring it soon.
Thank you.
Here is the bread.
Very good.
Is it better now?
Yes, much better.
I am glad to hear that.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your patience.
Lost wallet found. Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I have a question.
Of course. Go ahead.
I was here yesterday afternoon.
All right.
I think I forgot my wallet.
A wallet.
Yes, a small wallet.
Do you remember where you sat?
Yes, near the window.
What color was it?
It was red.
Did it have anything special?
Yes, it had a zip.
One moment. I will check.
Thank you.
Please wait here.
Okay.
I will be back soon.
Did you find something?
Yes, we have a red wallet.
Really?
Yes. What is inside?
My ID and some cards.
Then it is yours.
Oh, what a relief.
Here it is.
Thank you very much.
Is everything inside?
Yes, everything is there.
That is good.
I thought I lost it.
We found it yesterday.
Thank you for keeping it safe.
You are welcome.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.